Does TCL Roku TV have RCA input? Yes, TCL Roku TVs typically include an RCA input, allowing users to connect older devices that use the standard red, white, and yellow audio and video connectors, composite cables. The availability of RCA input depends on the model and size of the TCL Roku TV, with some newer models offering this option, though more modern devices typically rely on HDMI. 1. RCA input on TCL Roku TVs. Many TCL Roku TVs come with RCA input ports, which are useful for connecting older electronics like DVD players, VCRs, older game consoles, or other devices that use the traditional red, white, and yellow RCA connectors. However, as newer devices increasingly use HDMI connections, the RCA input is becoming less common on newer TVs, though it is still available on some models. 2. How to use RCA input on TCL Roku TV. To connect a device using the RCA input on a TCL Roku TV. Step 1. Locate the RCA input ports on the TV, which are typically found on the side or back of the TV. These ports will be color-coded, yellow for video, red for right audio, and white for left audio. Step 2. Plug the corresponding RCA cables, red, white, yellow, into the input ports on both the TV and your device. Step 3. Use the remote control to change the input source to AV or composite depending on your TV model. Step 4. Turn on your connected device and the video and audio should appear on the screen. 3. Limitations of RCA input on TCL Roku TVs. Although RCA inputs are available on some models, they come with certain limitations. Standard definition video. RCA inputs only support 480p resolution, which is much lower than HDMI's HD or 4K resolutions. This means the image quality will not be as sharp or clear. Audio quality. The audio through RCA is stereo, left and right, which is basic compared to the more advanced sound options available through HDMI, such as 5.1 surround sound. Limited compatibility. As HDMI has become the industry standard, fewer modern devices use RCA connectors, so users may need adapters or converters to connect certain devices. 4. Checking for RCA input on your TCL Roku TV. To check if your TCL Roku TV has RCA input, look for the red, white, and yellow input ports on the TV, usually on the back or side. Refer to the TV's user manual or the specifications on TCL's website to confirm the presence of RCA inputs. TCL Roku TVs often come with RCA input ports, making them compatible with older devices that use composite cables. However, the use of RCA inputs is limited to standard definition video, and users may want to explore HDMI connections for better quality. For those with older devices, RCA to HDMI converters can help connect them to newer TCL Roku TVs.